Hi guys, I'm Anisha and let's get started with our today's video. So the first step is to apply a moisturizer and I'm using this L'Oreal Hydra Fresh Antiox Moisturizer. You guys all know that how much I love this moisturizer. It's very nice, it's very beautiful on the skin. Now I apply this Lakme Absolute Blur Perfect primer. Now this primer is absolutely stunning because it makes your skin so smooth and becomes very easy to apply the foundation. Now I'll use this Physicians Formula foundation in the shade LN3 and it has a wand like this. I just love this foundation and guys, believe me, I'm using this foundation for the first time in my today's video. Now it is very good. It is for all skin types, so even if you're oily skin or a dry skin you can use this. Now with the help of the beauty blender I'll blend this foundation. Now you guys can see like how beautifully this foundation blends in your skin. It is so good. Now I'll take this Maybelline Fit Me concealer and I'll apply it in the inner corner of my eyes, some to my forehead, some to my nose, my cupid bow, in the inner corner of my lips, some to my chin and underneath my eyes and also above my eyes to make sure that there's no discoloration of the skin. I'll blend it and I'll not spread it all over my face. Guys, do not blend the concealer and spread the concealer all over to your face. Make sure you only blend it to those areas where you need to conceal your blemishes or pigmentations. So now I'll do my eyebrows. So I'll first use the concealer to give a shape to my eyebrows because it will make your eyebrows very defined. It will make your eyebrows so defined. It will look very defined in shape. Now I'll use this Wet n Wild eyebrow palette which has 3 shades. Like the one is the kind of a sticky cream, the white one. Then we have the brown shade, light brown, and the dark brown shade. I'm using the light brown shade and giving it light strokes to my eyebrows. Now I'll give very small strokes and I'll keep it very natural. And now I'll blend the concealer with this beauty blender so that I can get a defined shape. Now I'll take this angled brush and I'll blend the rest of the concealer. So now you can see that it's done. Now I'll take this Maybelline Compact and I'll take this beauty blender and I'll put it underneath my eyes, to my eyelids, to my face, some little areas. And with the help of the brush I'll just dust it off. Now for my eyes I'm using this Wet n Wild and Revolution London palette. So I'll take this transition shade and I'll take this fluffy brush and I'll apply to my crease. So you can see that these colors are really pigmented. I've already mentioned in my previous videos about the Wet n Wild palettes, how affordable and how good it is. It is just the dupe for the Anastasia Beverly Hills Modern Renaissance palette, so it is as good as that. Now I'll take this kind of round brush which is a little pointed. I'll take the darker brown shade and put it at the corner of my eyes and then I'll blend it with my fluffy brush. Now from the Makeup Revolution palette I'll take this golden and brown shade and with this flat brush I'll just put it to the rest of my eyes. So the colors are really pigmented and they're very easy to work with. So I'm working with the colors till the time I'm not getting that seamless effect in my eyes, and with the help of this fluffy brush I'm again blending all the colors. So the eyes are done. Now I'll dust off the excess powder underneath my eyes which I had put earlier. So I'll just dust it off, and now I'll take this transition shade from the palette and I'll use the brush, dust off the excess, and then I'll put it under my eyes. Since I'm not using a kajal, so this using the eyeshadows under the eyes will make your eyes look more flattering. So for my inner corner of the eyes, I'm using the golden color from the palette and I'm highlighting the inner corner of my eyes. So by highlighting the inner corner of the eyes, your eyes will look much precise and bigger. Now I'm using this Maybelline Colossal Bold Eyeliner and I'm creating a very short wing, not a much like longer wing. I'm creating a very short wing and I'm keeping my liner very thin this time. I'm not going too overboard because since this is a very simple look which I'm creating. So for mascara, I'm taking this L'Oreal False Lash Superstar, which is my favorite, and I'll just coat with my mascara. I am not using a falsie over here because since in this pandemic we are at home and falsies are not required, I don't want to use like waste my falsies by using it. And now for my bronzing, I'm using this Revolution palette. You have seen in my previous videos, I have shown you this product. So I'm just keeping it a little lighter just to give that shadow effect, and I'll take it to my hairline. Make sure that you take it to your hairline. Now once it is done, I'll use this PAC cream blusher in the shade number 606, and it's a very creamy blush and it's very creamy, very pigmented, and I just love creamy blushes a lot. PAC has a range of creamy blushes. So with the help of the beauty blender, I tried to blend it but it didn't work. So I'm switching off to the brush. Now even brush didn't work, so I'm just using my fingers to blend the blush. So once you have used this blush, you do not need to use a highlighter. So I'll apply it to my nose, my Cupid bow, and now I'm using this Wet n Wild lip liner to line my lips. And now for the lips, I'm using this L'Oreal Balmain lipstick, and this is a very subtle color and it's kind of orangish nude color, perfect for everyday look. So I'm done. I'll put up the jewelries and then get back to you. Now this is my complete look and I hope you guys are loving this look. So I have kept it very simple. I have not used too many colors over my eyes, or I have not used a highlighter. As you have seen, I've skipped the highlighter completely because we're at home during this pandemic, so there's not any use to like put a highlighter on your face and just roam at home. So it's that I've kept it very simple. It's a very glamorous look. You can wear it at any party also, like if you want to keep yourself very natural, you want to show yourself very natural. So this is how the look completes me. So I hope that you guys also love it. You can easily achieve it at home. So that's it. I hope you enjoyed this video and hope to see you soon. Love you all. Take care.